everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Oreo pie. I have children that love Oreo, and because it's again Christmas season, it is always good to just have sweet little thing that everybody likes to eat. Today we are going to make this quick and easy no-bake pie. So we are just going to grab our food processor and we're going to make it with some Oreos. We are going to use about 20 Oreo cookies. We have 70 grams of melted unsalted butter. We are going to place the cookies in the food processor and blend. We have our food processor and we're just going to crush the Oreos. We do this for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then we add the melted butter, mixing it well. You can certainly do this without a food processor. You can certainly crush this in a Ziploc bag. You just want to roughly mix it, and then we'll bring out our pie dish. You want to spray it a little so that it's easier for it to come out. Then we'll empty the rest of the pie crust into the dish. Nice. The butter and the cookie smell so good. And then what we want to do is to mold this. You want to mold it with either your hand or the bottom of a measuring cup that is round. And you want it to come all the way to the edges of the pie dish. This is kind of getting messy, so I'm going to use my hand to just press it down. This is really very easy to do. You want to press it however way you want it, using your hand to even it all up. Of course, we cleaned our hands. Always good habit to work with clean hands. I just press it just to even everything out. I got it to my desired height. Now I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, wash my hands, and then prep the filler. We're going to leave it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to chill. To make the filler, we are going to leave chunks of Oreo in them. So we just want to break them into pieces, but not tiny little pieces. We want to leave it whole when we mix this so that you can see the colors. This is quite fun to do. Just breaks easily. You can also chop them depending on the size you want. The Oreos have all the sugar you need, except for maybe about half a cup. We'll finish breaking these and we're going to set it aside. We have 1 cup of organic whipped cream right here. And then we'll whip it till we have a stiff peak. You want to start low because you don't want this to really splat all over you. You want to whisk it till you can't shake it out. I'm going to keep this in the refrigerator while I whip the cream cheese. So next we have 8-ounce room temperature cream cheese. And then we also whip this, starting slow, just to melt it. We're going to combine it with the whipped cream that we whipped earlier. After we whip the cream cheese a little bit, we'll add a tablespoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of powdered sugar. You cannot use granulated sugar or any other sugar because it does not give it that smooth texture and finish. And I'm adding half a cup because we already have a lot of sweetness with the Oreo. And then we mix, starting slow, and that gives it that creaminess that we're looking for. You want to make sure that everything is mixed up properly. Gives you that creaminess. Next, we combine our whipped cream with the cream cheese. And then we add the cookies, reserving a small amount for the garnish. And then we combine. You don't want to break them. You just want to keep combining. Come through in the middle. This is so good. It looks amazing. Now we are ready to bring out our pie crust. Next, we add the filler that we made to the pie crust. Keep it in and smoothen it out to fill the whole entire dish. Now, for the final decoration, you can decide what you want. This is going extra because I had the cream already. So I figured I would do an extra layer of cream frosting. Finally, I just take some of these little crumbles and just sprinkle it on. So we'll put this in the refrigerator to chill for about 4 hours before we serve it. We will be eating this on Christmas Day. I will not be cutting into this, but I will show you an insert of how it looked. But I have to tell you, when I tasted the filling, it tasted amazing. And so I have no doubt that this tastes so scrumptious. When I had a taste of it, you should try it at home, especially during this Christmas season. If this video has been of value to you, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. This is Dr. Okeke wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.